look, the Paseo headphones. Mom, Dad, the Paseo headphones. I'll have some.
Good morning and welcome aboard. Flight time is 2:52. Our crew of 4 amazing Fort Lauderdale, Miami-based flight attendants are excited to take care of you. Give a special welcome to our SkyMiles and Medallion members. We appreciate you continuing to trust us with your travel. Before we depart, please direct your attention to video screens for a brief presentation. If your video monitor is not working, please ring your call and let us know.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for flying with Delta. Our centennial anniversary has been a milestone that we will never forget. As we head into the next 100 years of service, we'll never stop celebrating our people or forget our commitment to you to keep climbing. Now sit back, relax, and please pay attention to this important safety presentation.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta for 100 years and counting.
Delta Airlines.
The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So, before we depart, please pay attention to this important message. Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you.
Larger electronic devices must be placed in a bag. Handheld portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured.
Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear. If you lose an electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for help.
As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap.